Hi guys. Today we're going to be learning about how to multiply matrices. And so by the end of this lesson, you should be able to determine if products of matrices are defined as well as multiply them. Go ahead, write down that objective, and we'll get started. Okay, so let's first talk about whether a matrix is defined or not, and how to write its dimensions if it is. Okay, to begin with, I'm going to write the rows and columns of each set of matrices. So, just for context, remember rows go across. Let's write that down. The rows go across. And our columns go up and down. So what I'm going to do is just write how many rows and how many columns each of these has. So matrix A has, let's see, 1, 2 rows. So we'll write that down. And it has 1, 2, 3 columns. So let's write that down. And we'll do the same thing with matrix B. Matrix B has 1, 2, 3 rows. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. All right, so this is good. So in order to tell if it's defined, if the columns of one of the matrices is equal to the rows of the other matrix, it is defined. So how I determine this is I'm going to draw a diagonal circle, or I guess this is more of an oval. But I'm going to go like this. If these two numbers diagonally are the same, okay, they're the same. Write that in, that they are the same. If they are the same, then the set of matrices are defined. So these are defined. If they weren't the same, then we would say they were undefined. Now, since they are defined, we're going to go ahead and write the dimensions. And so the dimensions are going to come from these two numbers, the 2 and the 4. So my dimensions are a 2 by 4 are my dimensions. And we're done here. That's all you have to do to solve these. So now let's write down some steps on how to do these, and then you got the rest of them. All right, and I'll check them in class. So it's going to look like this. What did I do for my steps? Steps, I wrote identify the rows and columns. Sorry about the writing, guys. It's very hard on this iPad right now because I don't have my iPad pen with me, but I'm going to try to do my best to identify rows and columns. Okay. Second, we determined if a set of rows and columns are the same. So we determined if it was defined or not. So we'll say determine definition. And how we know it's defined is if it has a matching column and row. So do we have a matching column and row? Finally, if we say yes, it is defined, then we're going to write the dimensions. Let me move this up. With the remaining numbers or unused numbers. And that's it. So go ahead and try 2, 3, and 4 and see how you do.